Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on Solana. We covered this yesterday. I actually gave you a valuable trade setup, which is playing out fairly nice right now. And overall, just a lot is happening. And I know a lot of you are also looking at Solana, trading it, looking at buying it somewhere spot perhaps. So that's why I just wanted to make a full update on it today as well. I hope you're having a great start of this week. We'll take a look at technicals mainly. Yesterday we took a look at some fundamentals as well. I don't think that's as necessary today. But yeah, let me know how you feel about that either way. But so yeah, we'll get into Solana. Before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals or analysis, you can also just join the Telegram group. Links are down in the description. There's a free group. I give daily trading signals as well, and a paid group, which you can check out how to join right there as well. But there I, for example, also sent this chart on Solana. And this is also what we talked about yesterday. What we said yesterday, to do a brief recap, is that I said we're now in this area between 22.3 and 21.4. And you can either go short from this area right here at 23.5 or 24, or you can wait till we break down below 21.4 and then take a bearish and then take a break retest short, which has been so far a great trade. We broke down below that, then you set the sell limit, and it would have been an amazing trade. Now the big question then is well, is this the end? Are we going to drop down? There's a massive support level around 20.3 and $20 coming up. Can we actually trust that or not? Because what we talked about yesterday as well is that I have the idea that Solana is a bit manipulated. If you take a look at the volume, you can see a lot of volume coming from UpBit, from Hotcoin Global. There's actually some volume missing, which I am very interested to see if we can find out where that's coming from. If we take a look at Solana on CoinGecko sometimes is a better source for volume, by the way. But if we take a look at there, it's kind of the same. Like now it's actually worse volume. DigiFinex maybe a little bit. But overall, it looks quite like that volume distribution is not normal. So I'm not sure if we can actually trust 20.3. Personally, the first level I am looking at buying is this level at 18.8 and $19. It's a very strong level. But now the big question is, like we also have the strong trend line. We probably will find support at 20.3 and $20 right here. But the big question is from that support, the only way in which we could actually get back up to $24, which at this point of time, after the bearish confirmation we just received, like this is the first bearish confirmation we've had in a very long time. Like we haven't had bearish confirmation practically since the start of July. So I actually do think that it's more likely that even though we will find support at around 20.3 and $20, that from there we'll just find resistance at 21.4 again, and that will drop back down to levels lower around 19.5, and then afterwards also, like I said, down to that 18.5, 18.7 level. At this point of time, I would say that's the most likely scenario. Now, it's still a possibility because if you just take, I mainly think this because of the bearish confirmation that we got, and because of my assumption that we are perhaps a bit manipulated. Because if you purely technically take a look at the price, what you would say is that we have a strong support coming up at 20.3. We will find support there. We'll break above 21.4 and we'll head up to 23.5 and $24. Technically, this looks sound. Even though I must say that if you actually take a look at, if you actually do some sort of a Elliott wave theory, so you take a look at these waves, for example, then what looks more likely, and we should actually, like it's a bit difficult to do Elliott waves here, but then what you can see is that we're also due for some sort of a correction wave, right? So something like this. So then that also, I would say, confirms my theory that this is more likely if we're talking about Elliott wave theory. But we'll see. I mean, in the end, it's I would say it's better to wait for confirmation. So if we break down below 20.3, 18.7 might be a good buy. But if we actually are able to hold support there and break above 21.5 again, then it might be good to take a buy from 21.5 after we've broken above that. But that's my full take on Solana. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.